Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to do Pawan Muktasana series or joint lubrication series. It will provide cushioning, oiling, greasing to your joints. It's not only for yogis but also athlete, sports person and general population also. And I do every morning with little bit mixing. So let's start. Jump on the mat. First of all, we will start to our feet to head, also hole known for completely kinetic chain, toe to head. So feet made for stability. So first of all, spreading out your all flanks. Please try to maintain gap between your all flanks. Activate. Fire your CNS, central nervous system. Receive the information through the sensory system. Keep gap. Activate your feet muscles. Then with inhale, big toe up, rest of toes down. Then big toe down, rest of toes up. Hold 1 to 2 seconds. I will show you just 2 to 3 reps, but you should do 10 to 15 reps. Then big toes down, rest of toes up. Then big toe down, rest of toes up. Now feet made for stability, for grounding, better grounding. In yoga we do all standing asana, so its feet stability is must. Then ankle made for mobility, so healer, plant flexion, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion. Then toe towards your chest or dorsiflexion. Then half dorsiflexion or short dorsiflexion. Full, half, full, half, full, half. Then feet inversion, eversion. In yoga, mostly pose in standing pose is inversion. So this is very useful for yogis. Inversion. Hold 1 to 2 seconds. It will prevention also ligament sprain. Inversion, eversion. Now sit your body weight on left leg. Make sure don't hyperextend your knee. Engage your quadricep muscles, then lift your right foot. Make sure right foot line with your hip or 90 degree. Then rotate your ankle. Knee will be stable. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Stand down. Then shift your body weight on right leg. Engage your quads. Lift your left leg up. Line with your hip and then rotate. Don't wobbly. Don't back. Don't forward. Find your center of gravity and rotate. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Keep breathing. Deep and long. Then release. Come in Samasthiti. Then knee. Feet stable. Ankle for mobility. Knee for stability. Knee does flexion and extension. So once again, sit your body weight on left leg. Don't hyperextend your left knee. Then lift your right. Then knee will be stable. Engage your quadricep muscle. Engage your hip flexors. Then extend your knee. Extend your knee. Extend, extend. Engage your quads. Extend, extend. Then flex. Use your hamstring muscle. Flex, flex. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Then extend, 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 extend. Then flex. Use your hamstring. Use your hamstring. Use your hamstring. Then down. Then sit your body weight on right leg. Engage your quads muscle. Make sure don't hyperextend your knee. Then lift your left knee 90 degree. Extend. Engage your quadricep muscle. Engage your hip flexors. Extend. Then flex. Flex. Use your hamstring. Use your hamstring. Then extend. Extend. Engage quads. Engage quads. Then flex. 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 Then down. Then hip. Hip. Head for mobility. Hip rotate 360 degree. Hip does flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, external rotate and internal rotation. So also hip does anterior pelvic tilt, posterior pelvic tilt. This is very critical for yogis. So just imagine fill up the bucket of water, and when you anterior pelvic tilt, bucket goes down or water goes down. Your shoulder will be stable. Only hip movement. Anterior pelvic tilt. Anterior pelvic tilt. Anterior pelvic tilt. And hip push forward. Anterior. Pelvic push forward. Then posterior pelvic tilt. Squeeze your glutes. Tailbone tuck. Posterior pelvic tilt. Anterior pelvic tilt. Posterior pelvic tilt. Anterior pelvic tilt. Posterior pelvic tilt. Just like bucket goes another side. Anterior, posterior. Anterior, posterior. In a rhythm. Anterior pelvic tilt. Posterior pelvic tilt. Then anterior, lateral, posterior. Anterior, lateral, posterior. Just like you can see, anterior pelvic tilt, lateral, posterior. Anterior, lateral, posterior. Anterior, lateral, posterior. Keep breathe. Anterior, lateral, posterior. Anterior, lateral, posterior. Now lumbar. Lumbar for stability. It is for lumbar for back bending. So now I will to engage here for some muscles. So we will do raise your both hand in Urdhva Hastasana with exhale. Anterior pelvic tilt. Movement should come from pelvic, not from spine. Anterior pelvic tilt and engage your quadriceps muscle. Belly in, engage your quads, body weight on your ball of foot. Ardha Uttanasana. Tabletop position. Don't round your back. Then with inhale, exhale, come in Samasthiti. Why I did this asana? Because generally you see you don't able to sit upright because weak of your multifidus muscle, and this is strengthen your multifidus muscle. After you are able to do elongate your spine. That's why I did it this posture. Now for lumbar, lumbar also does lateral flexion. So feet apart, slightly more. Gently posterior pelvic tilt. Engage your quadriceps muscle. Toes slightly inside. Then with inhale, raise your right hand in Urdhva Hastasana. Then lateral flex toes to the left, but don't round on your back. Up, don't round. Your hand or palms will be up. Gently posteriorly tilt. Make sure don't internal rotation. Your hip, your ankle, knee or hip will be in one line. Keep breathe. Left palms on right waist. Up. Then lateral flexion. Breathe. Now with exhale, come and change your arms. Gently posteriorly tilt. Engage your quadriceps muscle. Lengthen your spine. Up. With exhale. Then come in Samasthiti. Now, thoracic made for mobility. Its thoracic have 12 vertebra. Each vertebra rotate 2.5 to 3 degree. Total 30 to 35 degree rotate. So, in rotation, make sure your hip will be stable or lower body will be stable. Only thoracic will move. So, inhale, flex your arms, thumb on the chest. Then make sure your shoulder, elbow will be in one line, just like a closed book. Now, with exhale, right hand bring back. Rotate your neck, but don't give unnecessary strain on your neck. Right hand scapula will be retract. Then with exhale, close book. Now open. Left side. Hip will be stable. With exhale, close. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now release. Come in Samasthiti. Now for shoulder once again made for mobility. It is the ball and socket joint, and shoulder does 180 degree rotation. 120 degree rotation your humerus and 20 degree rotation for your scapula. Is they made for glenohumeral joint. So scapula provide stability. So make sure don't leave off your scapula, otherwise injury can happen anytime. So inhale, elevate your scapula, just like I am doing swimming. Exhale. Inhale, retract your scapula and depress. Exhale. Inhale, or you can change just like this. Protraction on your scapula thoracic. Engage your serratus anterior muscle. Protraction. Elevation. Elbow close to your ears. Belly in. Keep breathe. Retract your scapula. Then depress. Belly in. Don't arch on your lower back. Your rib cage will be in. Now, neck. Interlace your finger behind your hip. Palms pull towards your mat. Retract your scapula blade. Then extend with inhale. Feel the stretch of front. Don't hyperextend your neck. Then flex. Neck will be neutral. Extend, inhale, exhale, flex. Then right rotation. Look over to your right shoulder. Exhale, center. Slowly, slowly with breathe. Then left. Then right. Then release, or you can interlace right lateral flexion. Center. Left lateral flexion. Feel the stretch on right side. Because neck made for stability, slightly mobility. Neck does only flexion, extension, right rotation, left rotation, right lateral flexion, left lateral flexion. Don't rotate your neck unnecessarily, otherwise you will get injury. Now for elbow, extend your right hand, then turn around, then left, overlap to the right, interlace your finger, close your chest and open for elbow. 5 to 6 times. Then change. Keep breathe. Deep and long. And release. Come in Samasthiti. If you are struck, someone is struck, but then don't jerk. Then we will use alternate, just like this. Feet apart, extend your arm and flex, extend, retract your scapula, gently posterior tilt, flex, extend, flex, extend, flex, extend, then release in Samasthiti. Now wrist, flexion, extension. Keep micro bend your elbow, engage your bicep muscles. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Lateral flexion, medial, lateral, medial, lateral, medial. Then thumb inside, make fist and rotate, because wrist made for mobility, elbow made for stability. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Now we complete whole Pawan Muktasana series or joint lubrication, toe to head, completely kinetic chain. It will provide greasing, oiling to your joints, happy, healthy joints. Hare Krishna. Namaskar.